Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make these beautiful earrings that are done from pearls and seed beads. They are really easy to make, and I promise that if you follow my instructions by the end of this tutorial, you will be able to make them. So if you want to support me and see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit that bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming videos for fresh beading ideas. And you could also like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of your questions in the comments, and you don't know how much you help me only with this action. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below. I will be so happy to see your creations. You could also check my new merch store where you could find t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, tanks, phone covers, pillows and so many other stuff, and the designs are made especially from me for you, and they are a great present for your beading friends or for yourself. And you could find links here at the eye icon and down there in description, and by buying stuff from there you support me, my channel and my mission. And now I'm going to start with a list of the materials. Okay guys, and for this project what I'm using are two colors of 11/0 seed beads, and I'm using here 8mm pearls, and I'm using nymo beading thread that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters. And here I use ear wires that are lever backs, and size 10 beading needle and scissors. And now I will put about half an arm span of thread on my needle, and I'll be back. Okay guys, and now I have my thread on my needle, and I'm taking my 8mm bead and I'm going to slide it down, and now I will take 8 of these beautiful black beads. Eight, you see. And now I'm going back in circle through this pearl here, and I'm holding my tail thread like that. Then I will repeat this. I'm taking again 8. Okay, I have my 8 here, and I'm going back in circle through this pearl. Okay, then I will go through all of those beads here. And here what I want to do is make a knot, and I'm making my knot by making something like a loop here and going here through this loop once, and then I'm going second time, and then I'm pulling really tight. Okay, and again I'm going through all of those beads in this direction. And here I will add just one seed bead. Go here, then I'm going through all of those beads in this direction, and take one and go through all of those beads. I'm going around in circle through them, until I feel that my work is secure and nicely tight. Okay, now this is what I have, and in my next step I'm going to start adding these beautiful copper red beads. Okay, I'm taking 3 of them, and as I'm exiting from this black bead, I'm going back in circle through the same bead and pulling. Then what I do is that I go through my second black bead. Okay, and in my first step I took 3 red beads, and now I'm going to take 2. So first 3, then 2, and I'm going here through this red one from my previous element and through the black one down there in circle. Okay, so these 2 elements share beads, and what I want to do is then go again through the next black bead, and I will take 2 more red beads, and I will go through the red and through the black like that. When I pull, I have the same element. Then I go through the next black one. Okay, I take 2 red beads, I'm going through this red, and in this way I still have 3 reds in this element, but it is the 2 elements that are next to each other share it. That is why I'm adding 2 instead of 3 in my following steps. Okay, I will show you one more time. Okay, 2, then go through the black, and if you can, go through the following black in one movement to make it faster. Okay, and now guys, I'm going to come up to here, and then I'll be back to tell you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and now I'm here. I'm here at my last step, and you see here the first seed bead of my first element and the last seed bead of my last element meet. So what I want to do is go here through this black bead. Then I will go through this red one here. You see, I'm not adding 3 beads because here I already have 2 beads added, and I need to add only 1 bead in my last step. Okay, and I'm adding here 1 bead. Just like that. And now this is what I have. I have a full circle of similar elements. I started with adding 3 beads, then I continued with 2, and only in my last step I added 1 bead. Okay, then I will go here and I will start adding black beads again. Okay, I'm taking 1 black bead, going here, then 1 more, and from now on it's really easy. I'm just adding black beads everywhere between the red beads. Okay, and I will continue this, and when I'm up to here I'll meet you and I'll tell you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and I'm here where I should add my last bead. Okay, just like that. And what I want to do is add my ear wire, my lever back. Okay, I'm taking my lever back. Okay, and I will take 1 red seed bead. As I'm exiting of this black, I'm taking one red and I'm going through my lever back, then I'm taking one more red and again going back in circle through these two beads, and I will reinforce this part. And reinforce it as many times as you want. And then what I want to do is go here through some beads in this direction, pull it tight, and you might want to go here at the back of your earring because this is the front part, and you see how the thread is showing here, so that is why I decided this to be the back part. And now I will make here a loop, and I will go once, then I will go a second time through this loop I've made, and I'm pulling, then I will go through one of my following seed beads and I will cut my thread. Okay guys, and now my earrings are ready. So if you like them and you want to see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming videos for fresh beading ideas. You could also like, share and comment, and you don't know how much you help me only with this, and I will answer to all of your questions in the comments. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below. I will be so happy to see your creations. You could also check my new merch store where you could find mugs, pillows, t-shirts, hoodies, phone covers and so many other stuff, and they are a great present for your breeding friends or for yourself, and you could find links there at the icon and down there in description, and by buying stuff from there you support me, my channel and my mission. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.